Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in ZennoPoster. ZennoPoster is a powerful tool designed for automating browser actions. With this program, you can automate tasks like writing and posting comments, parsing data, managing multiple accounts, and more. By using a proxy, you can ensure your activities remain secure and anonymous. Let's get started with the setup process. Start by creating a TXT file on your computer and enter all your proxy details into it. Make sure to include all proxies you have, even if it's just one. If you're setting up a free proxy, enter it in the following format: IP, port. If you have a private proxy, then use the format displayed on the screen. After entering all the proxy details correctly, save the text document. Open ZennoPoster and initiate a new project. In the bottom left corner, click on the plus sign and select Add List to create a new list. Name your list and click OK. Activate the Load from File option, which allows you to import the proxy file you previously created. Also enable Save List Changes to File to automatically save any changes you make to this list. In the File Path section, click on the three dots to navigate to and select your document containing all the proxies. Your proxies will then appear in a list. Once confirmed, close this window to proceed with your project setup. In the workspace of ZennoPoster, start by dragging an arrow from the Start node to the right to open the menu. From the options displayed, navigate to the List section and select List Processing to add this function to your workflow. Double-click on the newly added block with your left mouse button. This section opens a new window where you can link to your previously defined list of proxies by clicking on Add List. After selecting your list, choose Select Action from the options below to specify what actions you want to perform with this list. In the Put to Variable field located below, select New and assign a name to the variable. Click on Create to finalize the variable setup and close the window. Next, from the Start node, drag another arrow to the right and select Browser from the menu, followed by Settings. A new Settings block will appear in the workspace. Double-click on this block with your left mouse button. From the Select Action menu, choose Set Proxy. Right-click in the proxy configuration line and in the pop-up menu select Set Value from the variable. This will display a list of your previously added proxies. Select the required proxy from this list and close the window. Now move this Browser Settings block to align with the block containing the list of proxies, ensuring they are grouped. Finally, from the Start node, connect an arrow to the Get Line block. This step finalizes the setup of the proxy. To ensure everything is configured correctly and the proxy functions when the browser starts, let's perform a test. From the Start node, drag another arrow outward. From the menu that appears, choose Tabs, then go to Page. A new block will appear where you need to double-click it with your left mouse button. In the URL field, enter any website you wish to visit, then close this window. The specified site should now be displayed in this block. Next, drag this block to align with the two previously created blocks so that all three are combined into one workflow sequence. Connect this to the Get Line block by dragging another arrow. Click on the green arrow at the top of the Get Line block. Note that you may need to press it 3 times. If all blocks are correctly configured, you will see a green checkmark next to each. The website you entered should open on the right, accessed through the configured proxy, confirming that the proxy setup is successful. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.